Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So how do you buy property in a pandemic? Now, to be time sensitive to this video, this is now January 2021, where the majority of the country are in lockdown. Now the good thing is, different to the first lockdown, the property market is still open. So this means you can still view properties to a certain extent, and you can still put offers in and you can still buy property. Now some of you may be thinking, well, if you can't really physically view property, then how can you possibly see a property and be confident in putting an offer in? Well, as it so happens, I've actually tested this theory out myself, and I will show you how it was done. Now this is a FaceTime call that I had with an agent on a property that I was actually interested in myself. Now this is an investment property as a buy-to-let, and this property wasn't even local to me. It is in fact 4.5 hours away. So logistics, I just wouldn't work for me to be able to travel, even if I could, to that property. However, the power of technology, very helpful estate agent, an obliging vendor trying to sell the property, we decided to do a FaceTime walk around of it. Now, first of all, I was a little bit dubious about this. Will things get missed or overlooked? But the good thing is they weren't. The estate agent used his phone and was basically my eyes and ears, and I recorded that so I could refer back to it. Now that is actually even better in some ways than actual physical viewing, because unless you film it yourself, then you just have to use your memory of what it looked like, or refer to the pictures on Rightmove or other channels. Now this really is a game changer, and a lot of estate agents are actually decided to do this now. But if they are, you will be in the safety of your own home, as you should be, and the estate agent will be in the property doing the work for you. Now the reason why I've done this video is because I'm a big believer of learn by doing. If you're going to come on YouTube and talk about something, then you should really be doing it yourself or know how to do it. So that's why for you guys, I've actually tested the theory out, and it has worked really well. I like the property that much that I even put an offer in, and we're waiting just to find out. Now hopefully in future weeks, months, if lockdown is relaxed a bit, and set a time and a date and actually travel up to physically see the property. However, I'm pretty confident from the video and from the information, the local knowledge of the estate agent, speaking to the actual owner, that the property is a good buy. Now it's all the same things. You need to do your own due diligence. You need to look at your yield and return on investment. Basic fundamentals are the same with buying a property. The thing is, it's just a little bit different, and we're using technology to help us. So the moral of the story is, don't be frightened to not buy or view that property. Speak to the estate agent, speak to the vendor. If it's an option to, you can still get the ball rolling. You can still pursue your dream of buying that property and then structure it in at a later date to view it. But think of it like this. Some people that aren't doing it may be the people that could have got that property over you if they were doing it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Send us a like. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.